There are different income levels in which each and every one of us fit in according to a survey. There are 5 income limits: broke, survival, financially able, financially stable and financial freedom. Number 1, broke. Someone who doesn't have money or is under a lot of debt comes under this category. Number 2, survival level, someone who can only earn to fulfill his daily needs. Number 3, financially able, someone who is able to earn to fulfill his daily needs plus spend some amount on his leisure. Number 4, financially stable, a person who has a good income and is able to earn enough money to fulfill his daily needs plus save or invest some money. And number 5 is financial freedom. This is a state where a person doesn't have to worry about money and can make his life's decision without worrying or stressing about money. Now, majority of the population comes in these 3 levels. That is survival, financially able and financially stable, and to achieve the financial freedom level you have to break that barrier. But most people are not able to break that barrier and achieve financial freedom. And this is because the world which we are living in right now is designed in such a way that most of us are not able to break that barrier. They're trapped in a loop which is explained to you that this cycle. Nowadays the culture of this world is such that everyone wants to buy an expensive phone, drive luxurious cars or live in a great house. So, what they do is the amount which they earn they spend some on their daily needs and they spend the rest on the leisure. And even after this, if the person is left with money, what they do is they think of saving this time. But then something new comes up like a new car or a new smartphone with a great camera, and then they say that let's buy it right now and we will invest the next time. Now normal individual's life works in this way. He does a job. He gets a paycheck out of which he spends the most amount of money and is hardly able to save or invest. And the person is trapped in this vicious cycle for years now. After a few years, the person's earning is increased. So, what he does is he spends the most amount of money in upgrading his lifestyle, which is the biggest trap that keeps you from being financially free. After this, if something bad happens with this person, like he loses his job or let's say that he got some health issues. Now as this person don't have much savings or investments left, he can go broke, and this whole cycle keeps on repeating itself. Therefore, it is very important for anyone to break this vicious cycle and be financially free. Now even a normal person can achieve the state of financial freedom, but by taking small steps and following a plan. I will tell you exactly how to divide your income and how to invest it. So before moving forward or before taking a step ahead, it is important for you to know where do you stand right now. So, the first step is to analyze your bank account and see how much are you spending in a month. The second step is to see how much useless expenses can you cut down. The third step is to keep aside an emergency fund. This emergency fund should contain enough money to help you survive for 3 to 6 months. If you don't have any job or any other income, you require this emergency funds, because if anything bad happens to you, like if you lose your job, then you will have to sell your investments at bad prices. So, to make sure you are safe from this, you will have to keep an emergency fund aside. And finally, the last step is you need to invest the amount which you are left with. Now the amount of it you have to invest is different for each and every one. So, you'll have to analyze this by yourself. Normally people invest around 15 to 30% of that income. And this is said to be the perfect investment for someone who already have savings in their account, can focus more on investing and get good returns.